Setting up depth of field in Blender is very simple. You just select the camera, go into the camera settings, enable depth of field, and then you can defocus the image by decreasing the f-stop value, and then focus on an object by setting it as the focus object. To control and move the focus, you can also add an empty. So press Shift A and add an empty. And then we can go back into the camera settings and select that empty. And when we now grab the empty, you can see that the focus moves to wherever the empty is placed. Right now we're in rendered view in Eevee. So what if you want to see the depth of field in solid view? We can just switch to solid view and then enable depth of field for solid view as well, so that you can see what object the camera focuses on even when you're not rendering the scene.